somebody. Ah shit, no, I'm drowning. Yo, coming up, head above water, coming through, trying to get with your daughter. You wouldn't believe what I taught her. But this is just a lesson. Had them keep 'em guessing. Yeah, but I bless them. Yeah, shot spot, Smith & Wesson. Oh shit, real tactical. Come through. No, man, I'm acting a fool. Yo, I really skipped school. Ain't seen me in about 2-3 damn days. Shit, he don't even got a fucking backpack. Man, what's the plot? XYZ. Yeah, they tryna get like me. Me, can you see? But you wouldn't believe. Yo, no, yeah, go like this. Sit and reminisce. Yo, this ain't the real Slim Shady.